Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss four important topics. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The first important topic that I want to discuss is regarding Cognizant. Clorox basically is a company based out of US, and that company has filed a lawsuit against Cognizant. Why? The amount is also very big, that is $380 million. Why? Because there were help desk failures in a cyber attack. Yes, you heard it right. There was a cyber attack on the company's website, that is Clorox, and Cognizant was not able to solve it. So what basically they mentioned is that they could not connect with the password. The users were trying, the cyber attackers said that I don't have the password, I'm not able to connect. Okay, so can you please help me? So then what happened is that the response was, oh, okay, let me provide the password to you. The Cognizant agent replied immediately, then proceeded to give the password starting with welcome. So this pattern repeated throughout August 11, 2023. Okay, and with this, cyber criminals were successfully obtaining the passwords, like resetting all the multi-factor authentication reset, and even changing the phone number for SMS authentication, all without providing employee identification numbers, manager names, or even other verification. That is the reason they have provided. The company has filed $380 million lawsuit. Now we will have to look forward, like what path that this lawsuit takes. The next important thing is that please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that. Okay, now comes the news from UK. That is one of the biggest bank in the UK. That is Lloyds Bank. They have mentioned to their employees, around 6,000 employees at Lloyds IT. Okay, they mentioned that you might have to leave the company. Why? Because there can be a voluntary termination or there can be a direct layoffs of the employees, because the good things are not happening in UK right now. There is a lot of buzz regarding recession in the UK, and that is the reason Lloyd Banks, who is having around 6,000 employees, IT employees working in the UK, they want to move and they want to create a GCC, that is Global Capability Center, here in India. Now they already have a GCC set up in Hyderabad. They might want to expand to different locations like Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, or even Bangalore. Okay, so this is the thing. They are planning to hire more than 4,000 permanent employees working in the tech space and data in India by this end of year, that is 2025 December. They are planning to hire 4,000 employees. So people who are in the BFSI domain or people who want to have a good job, this can be a good opportunity for all of you guys. Keep tracking Lloyds Bank. Next important thing is regarding TCS. So basically, one of the IT organization, okay, IT union, they basically filed with the labor ministry that TCS is not onboarding 600 candidates who have got the offer letters from 1 to 2 quarters. So yes, you heard right. 2024 batch pass out students or freshers who got offers from TCS. It has been almost 1 year and they have not got any offer letters or not joining letters. Sorry, I would like to correct myself. They have not got any joining letters, and this is a concerning thing for a lot of freshers because they have been waiting for the joining, and that is the reason the IT union. Okay, this basically they approached the labor ministry, and labor ministry again has taken some strict actions, and that is the reason the spokesperson at TCS mentioned that all of the people who have got the offer letters will be addressed. All of the people who have got the offer letters will be getting a joining date soon enough. So maybe it can be in this particular quarter or the next quarter after Diwali. Okay, so the next important thing that I want to discuss is regarding the Infosys, right? As you all know, TCS already declared their results, quarterly results, right? Last week. Now this week, Infosys again declared their quarterly results, and it is expected. Okay, the revenue growth is of 1 to 3% in the constant currency terms. Last year they mentioned that they have revised it from 0.30 to 3%. Now it is 1 to 3%, which is again a good increase. Okay, so they have maintained its profit margin at 20 to 22%. For TCS, it is something around 24 to 25%. Okay, the profit margin. Now these IT companies, they are they don't have a capital intensive business, right? They have to deploy only the employees. They have to pay a lot of money to the employees. Other than that, there are no inventory problems or any other things, right? But in this case, they have to pay people on bench, and that is the reason TCS is doing what it is doing right now. They are asking employees to to not be on bench and to always be occupied or to always be assigned to a project so that they can get the client billing, and that is how they will maintain a good guidance. Okay, they will maintain a good operating margin, that is 24 to 25% or even more than that. Okay, now one good important thing is that deal wins and business details. Okay, so Infosys for this particular quarter, they have got around $3.8 billion of deal, out of which 55% are new deals. Okay, this is a really good thing if you consider Infosys, because this is a good order book, right? And along with that, the CEO and MD, Mr. Salil Parikh, has mentioned that the strength of the company and the AI capabilities they are building is giving good results for the clients, and that is the reason they are going to hire more employees also. So this is in pipeline as well. Okay, so with this, I would like to end our today's video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay.